Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I have my December Stitch Fix to share with you. So of course I will leave all of the details about Stitch Fix below, as well as my referral link to get $25 off of your first fix. And then I'm also going to put the time that the try-on starts right here. So if you'd rather jump right over to the try-on portion, you can go ahead and do that. But for everyone else, here is my bundle and I have a pair of shoes. Okay, before I open the bundle up, for this fix here, I did accept one red sweater from the preview, and then I'm not sure what else that she filled in for the rest of it. So let's go ahead and open up and see what she sent. Let's start with the shoes first, because it's actually been a while since I've gotten a pair of shoes from Stitch Fix. All right, oh, these are cute. We have a pair of black ankle booties. And it looks to be like maybe, I don't know, is that maybe like a 2.5 inch heel? I don't think that they're real leather. Not sure. I can't see the brand name on them. They are cute. I'm not really in the market for a black pair of booties, but if I really loved these and they were comfortable, I would think about keeping them. All right, so the first top we have here, this is a Monday Fun. And it is this pretty burgundy color, like a wine color. And you can see it's got all kind of like smocking up here at the shoulder. Looks like a little bit of puff sleeve. It's a very cute blouse, but I'm looking at it, I think it's rayon because it's really wrinkly. Yep, 100% rayon. I don't know, sometimes I have really bad luck with rayon just looking so rumpled, like you put your coat over and then it's all wrinkled. And the fact that this came out looking like this, even if it's cute, it kind of worries me a little bit. But let's move on. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, this is a less Serein. I've never heard of that brand before. But it is this pretty emerald green blouse with the little clip or Swiss dots on the sleeve, and then the overlay has the clip dots as well. That is really pretty. I love the color, and I'm thinking for the holidays that would be a really pretty blouse. So I'm excited about that one. All right, so this I believe is the sweater that I accepted from the preview, and this is pink clover, and it's in this really pretty red. It looks like it has like a boat neck. It's really, really soft, really stretchy. Feels nice. I can't wait to try that. Oh, and a pair of jeans. Okay, we have Studio Blue. That's all I can see. It doesn't say the cut or anything. Nice medium wash, no distressing. They look like they are a boot cut, so of course it's going to depend on whether these are long enough, but they are cute. And I have had good luck. Stitch Fix, I have a pair of Studio Blue like black jeans or black pants that were long enough, so maybe I will be pleasantly surprised. All right, so that is everything from my fix. I'm excited to try on some of these, so let me go ahead and change. I will be right back. All right, friends, I have the first outfit on, and I'm going to step back to show you the jeans and the boots. All right, so these were the booties that were included, and they are a really cute pair of boots. Unfortunately, when I was just kind of walking around in my home just to try them out a little bit, they are hurting my feet. They're like rubbing up against my one little toe here on my right foot. And I really am at the point in my life where I don't like breaking in shoes. If they don't feel pretty much like spot on when I first put them on, I'm not into the breaking in thing anymore. So because of the way that they're feeling right now, I think the booties are going to be going back. But they are a really cute pair. I'm going to take them off so that I can bring one up and show you closer for those of you that didn't see the unboxing portion. All right, so for those of you that did not see the unboxing portion, and the brand is Market and Spruce, I can see here inside. So a really cute little pair of black booties, but they're just uncomfortable on me, so I'm gonna be sending these back, but they are a cute pair. All right, so now I stepped back again so that you can see the length of these jeans. It probably was harder to tell with the booties on because the booties did come up underneath them, but these really are not a length that I want for bootcut jeans. I like my bootcut jeans to be a little bit longer. So the jeans are not going to work, but these are a really cute pair, and had they been long enough, I might have decided to take these. They are, I would say, a high rise because they do come up over my belly button. I really like the wash of these. So a cute pair of jeans, but they're just not long enough for me for boot cuts. All right, now we're gonna go on to the cute sweater, and I love the color. I've really been leaning into this type of red, and especially this time of year, it's nice to have, but this is a cute sweater. Very, very soft. It's got like a stretch to it too. And I would say it's kind of like a boat neck. What I'm struggling with a little bit on this one though is how to wear it. I had it rolled up under like this, but then if I take it down, I'm not sure if I love that. What do you think? I don't know, I guess I'll have to play around with this a little bit more to see. And there's also an issue that I have noticed a few pulls around on the sweater. So I don't know if that means that this is going to be one that easily snags and pulls, which I know you can fix those with a needle and pull back in, but sometimes I don't like starting out like that. Do you know what I mean? So I don't know. I'm going to have to think about this sweater. I think it is a cute one though. All right, let me go ahead. I've got 2 more tops to show you. I'll be right back. All right, we're going to go on to this cute burgundy top. I do love the color. I think this is such a pretty color. Really like that. Also, let me see. I'm not sure if it's going to show up. It does have this like gathered smocking detail just up here on the front side near the shoulders. And it does have a little bit of a puff sleeve. It also has elastic here at the cuff, and it's a 3/4 sleeve. I will say the elastic on this one feels kind of tight. Like I'm starting to get a mark on my arm here already. So the elastic for this one isn't super comfortable. I will say that. Now I do have it with a front tuck. Let me take it out so I can show you the length. So this is what the length of this one looks like out. So I really do like the styling of this top, but the thing that I don't like that's going to keep me from buying this one is the fact that it is that 100% rayon that wrinkles really easily. I mean, you can see it already now. It's so wrinkled. And this is gonna be one of those tops that you steam it, you press it, it looks nice, you put it on, you put your coat on, your seatbelt, you get to where you're going, you take it off, and you look like a rumpled mess because it's so wrinkled already. I am avoiding those tops, so this is going to be going back. Had it been maybe a different fabric, possibly would have taken it, but I just don't like the way that this type of rayon here, the way it wrinkles so easily. So unfortunately, this one's going to be a no-go, but really a cute style, and I love the color. All right, friends, I saved the best for last. I think this blouse is just so incredibly pretty. Let me show you. First of all, I absolutely love this dark emerald green color. I just love this. Is one of my favorite colors, so I really love the color. Let me show you how pretty this is. The sleeves are sheer with this little clip dot over them, and then look at that pretty cuff. It's very comfortable, but it's got that smocking, pretty ruffle. I just think it's so feminine. I love that. Now here it just has the collar, and it's got covered buttons down the front, and it's not particularly long, as you can see. I did leave it out. I'm sorry, I'm having an issue with the lighting coming in through my sunroom windows. I'm hoping you can really see the details. I'm going to step back here in the sunlight in just a minute so that hopefully you can really get to see this top. But I'm loving this one. I just think it is so feminine and so pretty. Now let me step back here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see with the lighting any better. this top. So I really do like this one. It is definitely sparking joy for me. All right, I am gonna go ahead and change. I will be right back with a wrap up. All right, friends, I think that was a really good fix. So let's go ahead and see what the totals and the prices are. All right, so the grand total of this fix was $282. If you take off the buy 5 discount of 25%, that would take off $70.50, leaving the subtotal at $211.50. I do not have a styling fee because I do have the Style Pass. So my total for all 5 pieces would be $211.50. So I don't think that's a bad price if you were to keep all 5. All right, these booties, the Market & Spruce booties, really cute pair. I like them. They just were uncomfortable. They're going back. Now this is the sweater that I had accepted from the preview. And how much was this one? $46. That's a great price. I told you when I was trying it on though that I did notice all kinds of little pulls. And you can see that. There's quite a few of these all around the sweater. So obviously I could try to exchange it if I really loved it, but the truth is that I don't really love it. I like it, it's a cute sweater, nothing wrong with it, but it's just not a love for me, so I know that I'm sending this one back. This burgundy blouse, really cute, love the styling, but it's this rayon, and you can see, look how wrinkled this is already. I'm done with these type of tops when I take my coat off and then I look down and I can't believe how rumpled I look. So this one's going back. The jeans were not too far off. I know I'm incredibly hard to fit with jeans. So, I mean, it's really not her fault. These were pretty close, but just not quite long enough for boot cuts for me. So these are going back. And then the one top that I fell in love with, how much is this? $48. Not bad at all. I really just fell in love with this pretty blouse. I think it is so pretty. Definitely want to keep this one. So this is what I will be keeping from this fix. So overall, I do think this fix was really good. And the fact that I am coming away with a blouse that I absolutely love, that makes me happy. So thank you so much, friends, for taking a little bit of time out of your busy schedule to watch my videos. I really do appreciate it, and I will see you all next time. Bye.